Hello friends, myself Ramya. Now I am going to talk on the topic heat. So let's move on to the topic. All substances in our surrounding are made up of molecules. These molecules are generally at motion and possess kinetic energy. At the same time, each molecule exerts a force of attraction on other molecule. So they possess potential energy. The sum of the kinetic energy and the potential energy is called the internal energy of the molecules. This internal energy, when flows out, is called a heat energy. This energy is more in hot substance and less in cold substance, and flows from hot substance to cold substance. The SI unit of heat is joule, where 1 joule is equal to 1 Newton meter meter. Effects of heat. When the substance is heated, the following things can happen: expansion, change in state, change in temperature, and chemical change. Expansion. When the heat is added to the substance, the molecules gain energy and vibrate and force other molecules apart as a result of expansion. You would have seen some space being left in the railway tracks. It is because during the summertime, more heat causes expansion in the tracks. Expansion is greater for liquids than solid, and it is maximum in gases. Next one is change in state. The process of changing of a substance from one physical state to another at a definite temperature is known as change of state. For example, water molecules are in liquid state at normal temperature. When water molecule is heated to 100 degrees Celsius, it becomes steam. When it is a gaseous state of matter, on reducing the temperature of a steam, it becomes water again. If we reduce temperature further to 0 degrees Celsius, it becomes ice, which is a solid state of water. Ice on heating becomes water again. Thus, water changes state when there is a change in temperature. There is a different such process in the change of state in matter. The change of state occurs in 3 stages: melting, freezing, boiling, condensation, and sublimation. First, we look upon melting, freezing. The process in which a solid is converted to liquid by absorbing heat is called melting or fusion. The temperature at which a solid changes its state to liquid is called melting point. The reverse of melting is freezing. The process in which the liquid is converted to solid by releasing heat is called freezing. The temperature at which liquid changes its state to solid is called freezing point. In the case of water, melting and boiling point occur at 0 degrees Celsius. Boiling, condensation. The process in which a liquid is converted to vapor by absorbing heat is called boiling or vaporization. The temperature at which a liquid changes its state to gas is called boiling point. The process in which a vapor is converted to liquid by releasing heat is called condensation. The temperature at which vapor changes its state to liquid is called condensation point. Boiling point as well as condensation point of water is 100 degrees Celsius. Sublimation. Some solids like dry ice, iodine, frozen carbon dioxide, naphthalene balls can change directly from solid state to gaseous state without becoming liquid. The process in which a solid is converted to gaseous state is called sublimation. various stage of conversion of state of matter by heat with corresponding change in temperature is shown in this graph. We have seen two effects of heat energy. Then the next one is changing temperature. When the heat energy is added to a substance, the kinetic energy of its particle increases, and so the particle move at higher speed. This causes rise in temperature. When the substance is cooled, that is, when the heat energy is removed, the molecules lose heat and its temperature falls. Chemical changes. Since heat is a form of energy, it plays a major role in chemical changes. In some cases, chemical reactions need heat to begin and also determines the speed at which the reaction occurs. When we cook food, we light the wood and it catches the fire and the food particles become soft because of the heat energy. These are all chemical changes taking place due to heat. In this video, we have learned about heat energy and the 4 effects of heat. Let us continue this topic on the next video. Thank you for your patient listening. See you later. Bye bye.